In this session, I will explain how to use different filling options available in Microsoft Excel. Under Home tab, Editing group, Fill we have. So, under Fill, we have different kinds of options. See, already you know in the previous sessions while data entry, already I said how to autofill without using these options. For example, if you want to fill the same, just you drag it down, and if you want to fill the right, you can drag right. If you want same data, otherwise like for example, if you want 1, 2 like this, select the both and you can drag to down. And some more filling options also I already explained, but these are very useful. Suppose, of course, down, right, up, left, these are very simple, but across worksheet, series, justify, flash fill, these are advanced options, advanced filling options. So, one by one we will see. For example, if you want to fill the same value, for example, here I want to fill like Hari right side. So, select right side and then fill right, and if you select downwards, fill down, and you can also fill up. So, select up, upwards it will fill, and leftwards also we can fill. Okay, this is common thing. I am applying Ctrl G, Ctrl Z, so I am removing all these things. And we have different filling options like see, across worksheets option is there. Across worksheets option enables only, now it is in disable mode. See, it is not working. Why? Because across worksheet means we have to select multiple worksheets. So, that means, for example, if you want to fill the same data in different sheets, so I want the same data in different sheets. So, you have to select those sheets also. So, for that I am creating new sheets. 3 sheets I created newly, and I am selecting the first one. See, first one, and student 2. Under student 2 I selected the required data, and then what you have to do is you have to shift and click on sheet 3. So, that means all the sheets selected. Shift I am selecting on sheet 3, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 all selected. Now, the fill across worksheets option enabled. Now, it is asking you want to fill all or only contents or with formats. Only formats. I want all. Content means only data, format means if there is any format, colors, everything will come. I want all. If you want only content, you can fill. Otherwise, if you want only formats, you can fill up. So, I am going to print all. So, I am going to fill all. So, all the content in the student 2 will goes to, see, select sheet 1, same content is there, and select sheet 2, sheet 3, same content in all the areas. Okay. So, that is the way to fill the same content with different areas, different sheets. So I don't want these sheets, so I am deleting. Next time I want only formats. So in that case, what I am going to do is delete, yes. I am selecting employees sheet. Here I am going to insert new, insert worksheet, and again insert worksheet, right click and use these options. Next time I am going to select this entire data, then shift and click here. Now I am going to fill across worksheets only formats I want. OK. So if you click outside of these three, then go for these two. Only formats came, not the data. And if you don't want the formats, suppose I am applying Control G, so there is no data up to now. Now I want to only place contents, so shift clicking up to this and apply across worksheets, then only content I want. So if you click outside of this one and individually select, see, only content came, not the format. So like that, across worksheets needs more sheets to which you want to apply the filling option. Okay, I am deleting these sheets. Like that. Next, see, we have series option. Under series option, we have different kinds of sub options available. So learner, growth, date, autofill, like that, so many options are available. Suppose, see here, just we have students, I am changing the first height of this. Cell format, auto fit row height. Okay. See, I am having only 9 to 10 students here. I want thousands of student numbers to generate. How to fill 100, 101 and select the both, and I can drag up to somewhat range. But in case of thousands of rows, I want to generate numbers like this. In such situation, what you will do is just you will use fill series option, and it's asking series in rows or columns. I want in columns. And learner, see here step value and stop value. I want 1000 or something 10,000 numbers to generate. So I selected columns, learner and step value, stop value. Okay. But there is no initial value here. Suppose I am clicking here and fill series, columns, learner, and I am giving 10,000. See, automatically 10,000 numbers we will get. If you want to show the last value, if you want to go to the last value, you can control and use down arrow key. See that 10,000 value and control up arrow key. It will goes to the first, and if you don't want this, just apply Control Z. So that is the way to fill large number of values at a time. You need not to drag, automatically it will fill like that. And here in this we have growth option. So growth option means it will generate automatically. For example, under column growth multiplies step value and stop value it's asking, but in this case suppose I will say something 1 4 like this, and I am selecting something, some range here I selected, then apply growth. Next step value automatically it has taken to 3, and I selected growth and I am not giving any stop value. See, automatically 1 3 9 and 9 into 3 27 into 3, like that it is multiplying. Fill series, what I said, growth, what is the step value you want? Suppose I want 4. So automatically 1 4 4 into 4 16 16 into 4, like that it will multiplies the values. Okay, I am applying Control Z. And we have other options also, like I can apply dates even. Dates means it will generate dates. Suppose initial date I am giving something 1 and 2022 I am giving. So that is the initial date. If you want to fill continuous days, then go for series and I am selecting columns. I want step value 1 by 1 day I want, and stop value I am giving something 01 dash 01 dash 2023. So continuously it will generate the dates. See, day by day it is generating. If you want to generate months instead of day, then you select series again. See, date, you can select weekday or month by month I want. Month, if you want stop value, suppose I want up to 2024, something like 1-1-2024. Up to that, unit is month, not day. Of course, row wise selected, that's why it is in the row series, and I am filling with columns, and row wise means horizontally it will fill, column wise means vertically it will fill always. So month I am selecting, stop value I am giving 1-1-2024. If you are getting ashes like this, means it's not sufficient to fit the data. So in that case, you double click here, automatically you will get the values. See, month by month it is showing. First month, second month, third month, first day, fourth month, like that it will generate. Even you can generate years also. In place of months, suppose I am applying Ctrl Z, you can fill even years. Years I want up to 1-1-20 100. So just I selected rows, that's why horizontally it is filling. Next time I will select columns, years, and 1-1-to 2100. So years generated. So like that you can generate dates also. And one more option is there, important option, that is justify. Justify is useful. Suppose if one column is having expanding more than the bounds of the columns, for example Raju and Krishna and Kiran, Vamsi, Kumar, Ravi, Geeta, like that I typed in just J2 cell. So all my data is under J2 cell. It is expanding up to somewhat, but I want to place them one by one just by justifying the cell width. So in this case, just justify. It will ask text will extend below selected range. So I didn't selected, automatically it will divides the values and places the individual Raju, Krishna, Kiran, Vamsi, like that. Suppose Ravi, Geeta both fitted in same column, that's why those two are in same column. How it is fitting, how the text is fitting? With justify method. So like that we can use justify option. And one more option is there, flash fill. Flash fill option enables you to use a model for the other filling options. For example, here I am having S name. So S name is having two parts, Raju, Ankit Raju, and Krishna Kumar, Ravi Krishna, Hari Krishna Kumar, and like means first name and last name both are including in S name. I want to divide them. So what I am going to do is, I am going to insert some more columns here. Insert sheet column, and here again insert sheet column. I will give column name as first name, and then say here in last name. So just extend the size. So first in this, for example, his name is Ishwar Krishna. Just imagine his first name is Iswar and last name is Krishna. Okay, first I will type model here. Based on this, I will type model here. So, first Iswar, then in this Krishna. Then what you have to do is, you can apply Control E or you can apply fill flash fill. So, flash fill option automatically takes this model to other name, see Krishna Kumar, and if you apply here fill flash fill, automatically Krishna is under first name and Kumar is under last name, and Ravi is here in first name and Krishna is in the last name. Like that it will automatically divides. Suppose here only Murali is there, so that's why Murali, first name and last name also Murali, like that it is placing the data. So the first one is the model and remaining under all automatically it will fill. For example, suppose I am having some employee numbers like this, EMP001 and EMP002, like that I am having numbers. Just imagine. I will try to drag this one. So in the first EMP I am setting as a model and 001. So like that. So here you apply Control E, automatically EMP will come, and Control E, automatically the divided part of number will come. Of course 00 automatically formatted to 1. You can change the number format to text format, so then it will print 00 as it is. So like that you can fill using flash fill option. Okay, these are very useful while entering data and while maintaining their data in Excel. Okay,